What is going on, Street Trip? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in today. Man, you might be thinking, what are you doing? What are you doing in front of your car with the hood up? I could show you better than I could tell you. Check this out. Yes, sir. So we got the 034 intake, freshly ready to install. We're gonna get this bad boy on. I'm gonna show you a little bit behind the scenes of how it goes on. But stick around. We're gonna take this for a test drive and hear the beautiful noises that comes out of this bad boy. Woo! Check that out there. Yes. Alright, so first order of business, after you put the hood up, there's the latch right there. So what you want to do is right at the top there, there's a little notch. And what I did is basically take this paint can opener and just push that down right there, and it's going to release it. Now once that releases, then what you can do from there is pop out, comes right out, easy peasy. Now the next order of business is taking the engine cover off, because as you can see right there, you're going to need to access the screw that's right under there. So engine cover comes out pretty easy. Just lift on both sides gently and get the back popped up. I'm trying to do this with one hand. Normally it'd be easy with two hands. There we go. So there's four, one here, and one on each corner. Take that off. Now you have access to the engine bay, and you have access to the screw here. So you're gonna take that screw out, and this should pop right up for you. So let's do that. But actually before we do that, there's one step. We got to take this piece off. So that requires popping this piece out. So let's try that right now. This should just pop up if you lift it from both sides. That pops up there. Come over here as well. Just pull up, and that pops up as well. And there you go. That's out. Put that to the side as well. And now there is going to be, so there's going to be two screws. One right there that you're going to take out, and another right there that you're going to take out as well. And once you take those two out, that's pretty much going to bring out this little piece right here. Sorry about the light. It's going to bring out this little duck piece here. So let's do that. Alright, so I was able to unscrew those two screws, and this should just slide out just like that. And this other piece here should just slide right out. Wow, that was pretty easy. Alright, so now next step before we take out the box, we got to loosen this, and we got to loosen this screw over here. So let's go do that, and we'll take this thing out. Should be ready to go after that. Alright, now that we got those two screws loosened up, as you can see there, should be able to shimmy like that, and you're good to go. And this should just pull out. Might be a little bit hard to do with one hand. Nope, I got it. There we go. So that's out, and the box just pulls up. And you have these grommets. You're gonna need that grommet and the one that stayed right there. So those two grommet pieces that you see right there are gonna go on the new filter. So let me put that on. All right, so for those grommets, there's actually three. There's one right there. That's already on the filter that came out with it. There's another there, and there's a third here that's already on there too. So I'm gonna take that one out, take that one out, put it on the new filter. It should just sit right back on. That's crazy. Look at all this space here that just the filter is taking. That's pretty amazing how they really engineer the car. But yeah, little sidetrack, but that's pretty dope. Alright guys, so there it is. If all done correctly, it should look something similar to this. The only thing, man, this thing was a pain. They don't tell you about this thing. So in order for those grommets to sit in their holes, what I did is I placed this piece first to make sure it's sitting correctly, and then I went back and put this in. What I did, I put this end in first, make sure that was secure all the way to the edge. This was a really hard part, because once this is in, it seems like this piece longer than it is, so you have to like kind of rock back and forth to get this thing to fit in. I had to kind of pry it with my hands. Good thing that this material is flexible, so I can eventually get it to seat over. I know one of the videos I saw on YouTube made it look pretty easy, but I'm not sure. I mean, this one definitely gave me some battles, but we went ahead and got that in. So what I'm gonna do now is put back the air duct, which is this piece here. So I'm gonna secure that piece and then put back the front scoop over here as well. And that's all done. So let me get that going and get this baby fired up for you guys. All right, guys, so there you have it. I went ahead and put the duct back, and this is the finished product, finished result. Looks really clean, pretty sturdy. I made sure I tested everything. No wiggle, everything's there, secure tight. This was easy to put back on. And once you put back that scoop in there, this plastic piece just kind of snaps. It's got little mini tabs, just kind of snaps all back into place. And then you just take your hood latch. Just make sure when you put that in, put it slowly, you'll hear a click. Once you hear that click, you know it's secure. Then you can always do that to test it out and make sure that that's working as well. And yeah, so nothing left to do except fire this up. Let's get some sounds out of this thing. So here we go. Oh my God, you guys gotta hear this. It's a pretty windy day. Wow, this thing sounds bananas. Let me see if I can get it for you guys. Woo! This thing is breathing. It's breathing like a monster. Wow, it sounds nuts. Holy crap, this thing is driving nice. Wow, I could definitely feel the power. Oh man, this thing sounds crazy. Wow, let me get on a better stretch of road here. Wow. All right, let me put it in park so you guys can hear it. Damn. All right, I'm so scared. This thing is driving fast. Oh, all right, let's try it here. Oh my God, it is pulling. It is definitely pulling. This thing has came alive. Wow, it makes the tune come alive. Ooh, man, I don't know if the wind's not letting you hear it, it's cutting off, but wow, that thing sounds crazy. You just hear the whoosh, and it's just like, oh, it's like the car sneezing. Woo! This is much, much faster. It brings the tune alive. Wow. Definitely worth it. Definitely worth it. Holy crap. All right. Catch a little break here. All right, here we go. This sounds nuts. The whining, you can hear the spooling. Oh man. And the pops are more pronounced too. They were before, but it is hitting a lot better. Wow. This is definitely worth it, guys. Comment below, let me know what you think. I don't know if you can hear it. Like I said, it's a pretty windy day. Trying to get as best as I can, but it's pretty hard, man. Wow. You just gotta experience it. Just gotta feel it. Definitely worth getting this intake. Whole nother car once again. So you definitely feel it when you get the tune, but when you combine it with getting the intake, and you just feel the car breathing. Listen. Woo! Damn. Hell yeah. Comment below, let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe. Street Drip, we'll see you on the next one.